Welcome to the FX Kings channel. Today we're growing a small $100 Forex account into $200. So basically doubling the account. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, make sure to subscribe. We are trying to grow this account. We are trying to grow this channel. We are trying to grow a trading community in the Telegram. Make sure to join down below. There is a link. And yeah, enjoy the video. Okay, so here we are on gold. This is the first trade of the account, and you can see it's in a massive downtrend, and I'm just going to show them uptrend. Yeah, yeah, we took a one-to-one trade here. So we went for a short, which is a sell, and yeah, a lot of rejections here at the zone. As you can see, back then as well, there were a lot of rejections. So it's most likely it's gonna react off the zone, and obviously with all these rejections here, it's most likely gonna go down. So yeah, just a one-to-one here, and yeah, we'll see what happens. As you can see, one-to-one risk, and yeah, we're risking $10 to make $10 of course, and yeah, we'll see what happens. Okay, so as you can see, with the rejection, you can see we almost hit the stop loss, and then it flew down, and now we're at this level now. And yeah, it's rejecting again, so I'm actually thinking of putting another in. Yeah, I think I'm gonna put another entry in for sell, because it's already showing that it has a lot of selling pressure. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put another sell in. Stop loss, obviously the risk itself is like, it's like larger, so I'm still gonna put a $10 stop loss right there, and then TP is gonna stay at the same place. I'm going for another $7 right here, and yeah. So now we are risking $20, which is still a lot, but we are trying to double the account, not as quick as we can, but rather effectively, and I think this is a really effective re-entry. So yeah, we're gonna wait and see what happens. Okay, we're back, and we're going to the TP. Yeah, we're TP one-to-one, and we made about $17 of profit. So really good start on the account. Yeah, $17.19, and yeah, we have to see if we can find more setups. If not, we'll trade again on Tuesday. So yeah. So yeah, we're gonna definitely go long here on this trade. I'm gonna explain now. I want to turn the phone sideways, so but I know it's gonna look weird like on the video, but yeah, we're gonna check a quick zone here, and I'm actually on the way to the gym, so I gotta just be quick with this trade setup. It's so difficult to trade on the to analyze on the phone. I analyze on the PC, but yeah, you can see a lot of rejections here, so this is clearly a clear zone here where price likes to react off of. So right now this is a support zone, and as you can see, it's rejecting beautifully off the zone, looking to go long. So yeah, we're definitely going for a long position here. We're going for a one-to-one, and honestly we could go something like this, but I like to scalp more. This is more of a intraday trade, so we're gonna go on a 50-minute. We're gonna see maybe if we can shorten this trade. So here is the swing low right here, so we can put a stop loss just below it. So there's a swing low, we're gonna have it just below it, something like that. And TP, we could have it here, but we always we always go for a one-to-one. We can manage it throughout the day or whatever, or throughout the trade rather. But yeah, sorry. So now when I go to the gym, I can just focus on the gym, whatever. When I come back, we'll see what happens. I do feel like I'll still be in the trade, but yeah, this is what I'm looking at. Let's just turn the phone back like this. Yeah, this is something I'm looking at, and as you can see also, if we go on the 4-hour, that was a downtrend right here, and then here again uptrend, and then downtrend, and once again uptrend. So yeah, we broke through the zone, so clearly just bouncing back, retest, and then should be going up again. But yeah, we're gonna go for, where is it at now? GU. So we're going for GU. Now I have to basically check for the stop losses and stuff like that. So let's see. 966 33966. Okay, 33966. 66. It's about there, and then obviously the 1-to-1 will be about like that. Alright, now we have to adjust this lot size until we get to a $15 risk. Alright guys, so this is the amount we're gonna go for, and we are going for, what is it? Going for a buy. So yeah, there we go. Going for the buy, $15 risk on this trade. And here as well, $15. Oh my god, I didn't even put it in. Give me a second. $15 and $15 right there. Let's put that in, and there you go. Nice. So we've got the trade in, and we have to just basically see what happens with this trade. But yeah, let's just switch back to the trading view. This is what we're looking at. All right, we'll check in back later, and let's see what happens with this trade. Alright guys, we're back. I just came back from the gym, and yeah, trade looks really good here. Let me just change like this. Yeah, so as you can see, it did reject beautifully, and we went bullish to the upside. We actually almost went to our TP, but went down a bit. But yeah, with time, I think it's gonna go slightly back up to the TP. But if anything, we can close early. We can always close early, you know, secure the profits. But yeah, $3.3 now. It's just not enough for me. But you can see the equity is at 120 now, so the account's actually up by 20% now. Yeah, so far good day. And I think I'll call it a day after this trade, no matter like what happens, whether it loses or break even, whatever happens. But I'm keeping a close eye on it because I don't want the trade to like tumble down to about this zone. But yeah, I might just call this trade early depending on the time, and whatever equity is up is for now. So yeah, but yeah, let's check in about, let's say Hoppers 5. We'll check in at Hoppers 5 and then see what happens. Okay guys, so it is approaching 12 o'clock. I'm not gonna lie, I forgot about this trade. Because I have to focus on bigger accounts, like my personal bigger account. So yeah, I forgot about this account. But yeah, GU doesn't look like it's working out. As you can see, we almost hit TP. This is when we were at the gym. Tumbled down and came back to the zone rejections here, and now it's showing that it wants to go down. So yeah, it's back into a resistance zone, and it will just tumble to the downside, probably to this area. So yeah, definitely approaching our stop loss. So what we're gonna do is we are gonna exit this trade. And through experience, obviously I've been trading for like 9 years, so I just know how the markets play out, and through experience I know it's gonna tumble down. So yeah, we're definitely gonna go ahead and close this trade. And that's the thing about trading as well, especially when you trade one-to-one. You need to manage your trade very well and know when to exit, know when to enter, know when to leave the trade running. So yeah, $9 loss. The account's on 107, so $107. And yeah, I guess we just made a $7 profit for the day, and I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Alright, it is the next day. It is Tuesday. Like I predicted, the market was gonna end up in the zone. As you can see, rejections in the zone. I was gonna sell. Oh, I would have sold last night, but I don't trade at those times. It's too risky. But yeah, went back in our zone, dojo candle, and I entered the market. And we're looking for just a quick one-to-one, risking $10 for $10. So yeah. Okay guys, so we're on gold now on the 15-minute time frame. As you can see, looking to sell in this market. We've got a nice one-to-one here, and yeah, we're gonna go for 0.02 on gold for a sell. So let's put that in stop loss. We're gonna go for $20. and TP $20 as well. And yeah, we're gonna see how it goes. And we finally hit TP. It's been quite some time, but we can see we had a bit of drawdown here. And then we hit TP. I did re-enter for the market, so I did re-enter in the market, so yeah, made a lot of profit on gold today. Unfortunately, GU did it TP, did it stop loss. If we just take a look at that. And I'm extremely tired as well, just by the way, I've been working all day on videos and the other social medias, so yeah. But as you can see, this trade did the stop loss. But yeah, the account's at $138 now, so we're 38% up in profit, which is really good for the week. And hopefully tomorrow we can try and get the account to maybe 150. I'll be really happy with 150, maybe even 160. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Yo guys, welcome back to a new day. It is Wednesday and we're gonna just turn the sideways. As you can see, we're on GU. We're back to this level. I sort of recreated the market structure though. So as you can see, the trend is sort of consolidating, but right now for recent trend it is a bullish trend. So we're gonna be looking for buys, and as you can see, it's at the support zone now at the scale level. And as you can see, we're getting rejections now on the hourly. Go down to the 15, you can see we rejected, and we gave 2 bullish candles right here to even engulf this bearish candle. So yeah, it is looking really good. I will meet you guys on the MT5. Okay, just to recap, we have got $153 in the account. I don't know if I mentioned already or if I recorded, but we are halfway. I took this trade last night. I did take a screenshot of it. Just looked really good, and yeah. So now we're on GU. And I think since we are so up in this account, we are 53% up. We could risk maybe $20. Yeah, I think $20 on this account would be good. Maybe even just pushing it for $25 because we are trying to double this account. But we're still using proper risk management, so yeah, we can see what we can go for here. But GU, we're just gonna take a look and see what we can go for here. Alright guys, so this is what I'm going for. I want the TP at these levels right here, just in case it rejects back. So I just want to be in and out of the market. And as you can see, we're already flying up. So let me just get that sorted out. So we wanted the stop loss to be there. So that's gonna be $20. Yeah, I think this should be good. We're just pushing maybe a little bit more. Yeah, I think we go for 0.17. We're just gonna go for a buy right there. There we go. So this is gonna be a bigger trade, but yeah, I mean we can afford to risk is what I'm trying to say. We can afford to risk it, so we're gonna go for something like this. So there we go. We could be making $20 on this account. As you can see, we already have a really good bullish pressure, and yeah, I think the next 30 minutes or so we should be around this level, or at least hopefully we should be around that level. But yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. Alright guys, so we're back in the market. As you guys can see, as predicted, the market went exactly where we wanted to go. But like I feared, and like I said as well, I didn't want the market coming to these highs and then going all the way down again, which is exactly what happened. So I want the TP at these levels right here, just in case it rejects back. So I just want to be in and out of the market. I just missed out TP, unfortunately. Back in the drawdown, but it's back in the zone. So I tell you what, if it rejects and we get bullish candles up to the upside again, I'm gonna re-enter. But if it breaks this lower, I'm gonna start thinking of Xing out of this trade early because we are breaking out of the zone. So I just don't see a point in continuing on the long position. Yeah, there's just no point. But yeah, so as you guys can see, we are down $14. The equity is at 137. Still really good. Even if this ends up being a loss, it's not a bad loss. It's actually a good loss, $20, because we are up $50 on the account, so we basically just losing profit. But yeah. Okay guys, so there's a couple minutes after, and yeah, the rest of it's going really good. You can see beautiful rejections right here, and again beautifully predicted as always. And you can see our 101 is almost being hit at the TP. Yeah, the stop loss, I had a huge stop loss here, but I wasn't planning for the market to go all the way down to this level, probably down to this level and then close up with minimal losses. But yeah, we're in profit now, and we can definitely go ahead and reduce this. So we'll just minimize the risk now, and basically ride this to the TP. The account's up $28 in profit now. I do want to increase the take profit a little bit, I think to about this level. Yeah, I think we can, because we're about to break the highs as well, which we really did actually, but I wanted to close above this high right here, this high here, and then yeah, we can ride to the TP. So yeah, after this trade we're definitely done for the day, and we are so close to doubling this account to $200. And guys, and as you can see, we have a TP right before the news, and literally just tumbled down to the downside. But yeah, once again, the 1-to-1 coming in handy. We kicked out, and now the marking door everyone. So yeah, we got our profit, and we're done for the day. I was actually sleeping, got a notification that we got kicked out of the trade with a profit. And as you guys can see, the account's on $79 now. And we're starting to look at it really good. So this is how the account's looking. These are all the trades on the account so far. So yeah, so we are just one more trade away from doubling the account, and we will do that tomorrow. So yeah. Okay guys, so it is a new day. We are back on gold, and as you can see, we got another trading setup. It's a bit more risky though, as the move already happened. We kind of missed this. Yeah, that's why you need to stay in the charts. But yeah, we got a new trading setup. As you can see, again coming off this zone, which was previously a support, which is now the resistance. We got beautiful rejection candles here, indecisive signs of consolidation here, and beautiful rejections and bearish candles to the downside, showing that it wants to continue to the downside. I think it will continue to this low right here, the swing low, and maybe break that zone. But yeah, we can definitely go for a short position here on gold. I would like to take the position more here, this side. It's really late, but I think we can capitalize on this move. I think it's still gonna move to the downside. So yeah, just a short 1-to-1. Once again, 1-to-1 coming in really handy. Now normally in this position I would have a bigger stop loss, but I don't want the TP being all the way down here. I don't see the point of the trade. It has to be before the swing low for me. So if we want, we can even go for 0.6 threshold ratio. The chance of this trade hitting is much more likely than hitting the stop loss, of course, because the stop loss is much bigger now. 1-to-1 would be right here. I don't feel too happy about the 1-to-1, but I don't think it's gonna retrace just yet. I think it's gonna continue to the downside. I think we can capitalize on this move. So I think risking $20 to make $20, of course, should be the move here. And so far in this account, we've only traded gold and GU, but those two are my favorite pairs. I've been trading those pairs for 9 years, so I've built a really good, relationship with the two pairs. And yeah, so now we have to try and see. Okay guys, so as you can see, gold is a really expensive pair, so we can't even do our actual trading setup. Otherwise we would just be over risking on the account, and I don't want to over risk. We have to keep it at $20 risk. So you know what, I think I'm gonna go for this. It's just gonna be a quick scalp on the account, and I am gonna put a sell limit, so just in case it does go up now, we can still be safe. So yeah, make sure to use these sell limits and buy stops on whatever. So sell limit right here. I'm gonna put this over here. Go for a sell stop. I don't know why I'm saying sell limit. Go for a sell stop. Put that in. And yeah, so if this trade turns out to be successful, we have officially doubled the account. So yeah. Okay guys, and a few months later we finally GP. Like I said again, predicted perfectly throughout this entire account, and finally we have completed the challenge of the W small Forex account. So yeah, really good. This is all the trades on the account, and yeah, really good. And as you guys can see, flew to the take profit, and we added the trade $201 in the account. So we actually took this account up. Obviously a little more than double, but it's the same thing.